How to fix the shower that it's really hard to open. Okay, first you're gonna remove this one. There's a screw right here. You're gonna remove this screw. Then you remove the handle. You're gonna put it right here on the side. Then you're gonna remove these screws right here on the plate, okay? And then it's gonna remove all this cover. And then right here inside, you need to close this one. You need to spray a lot of freaking penetrating spray to loose, because this is gonna be a lot of rust. So you're gonna spray a lot of this one right here, same on this one. Okay, the part that we need to replace is this right here, the one in the middle. Okay, for that one you're gonna use one of these extractors like this. Okay, this one you're gonna put it like this. You tie this screw right here, and then this one you keep pushing on this. It's gonna pull this out because this is gonna be stuck. Okay, once you pull this out, this is the problem. We're gonna replace it with a new one. That's why it's so hard to open this. With time, this one gets they just get a lot of corroded, and that they're very hard to pull the handle. So that one is, we're gonna replace a new one. But first, make sure inside this hole right here, open one of the valves just a little bit for the water to come out, to flush all the stuff that might be inside. Just open just a little bit, not that much. This one is a hot water. Okay, you need to open both so you get some pressure. Okay. All right, some of the stuff came out. That was up inside. So we're gonna close this again. Okay, we're gonna close. This is the right one is the head, the left is the coal. Okay, I'm gonna close the water again. I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean inside with this rag. I'm just gonna stick it all the way inside to clean. Just get a flashlight and make sure you look inside this hole right here. Make sure nothing is inside anymore. And then you're gonna spray some of this white lithium grease. Okay, that one, so the new part is going to slide inside nice and smooth, because this thing has to go all the way inside the new part. Okay. Okay, I got to make sure all this is clean, and then I'm gonna put the new one. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I already made sure there was nothing, no debris inside. I already applied some lithium grease. Now we're gonna push this in. We're gonna put this white stuff that comes when you buy a new one. That one is so you can push it. This is gonna be kind of hard. Has to go all the way inside, and it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, I have to stop recording. I need to put the phone down, and then once it's all the way inside, this has to go all the way inside. I'm gonna put this pin. This pin is going to secure, but it doesn't go in yet, so I need to push a little bit more inside. Oh, it doesn't go in yet. I need to push a little bit more. Okay, I already put the new one. I'm gonna put this pin. I put a new pin right here. It has to go all the way down. Okay, make sure it goes all the way down. This thing, you have to push it all the way down. Just careful. You need to hold right here, or if you have somebody else, you need to hold right here so this pipe is not gonna break. Okay, put that one in. I already opened the valves again. This is the cold, this is the hot. This is open it. It was all the way open, so when we're gonna put the handle, we're just gonna tighten just a little bit just to test if water is coming. Alright. We just pull. Oh, look at that, now it's smooth. The baby can open this thing now. Yeah, that's why this part gets old with time. And with all the hard water, this thing gets really hard to open. And you can see right here. It was very hard to open before. It was not open anymore. So okay, so now, okay. We got water coming now, very nice, everything is good. Make sure there's no leaking anywhere, no leaking. And let's put the covers again. I'm gonna remove the handle, I'm gonna put the cover, and it's all good to go. Just make sure these ones you need to close before you open any of these. If you don't close, you're gonna have a big mess of water. First, make sure you close this valve and this valve right here, okay? Those are the ones that close the water. Okay, that's it for today. That's how you fix this thing. This part, just make sure you got the right part. You got to make sure your shower, if it's Moen or it's a Delta or something else, you just go to your hardware store and you buy the right part. You need the right part for your shower. If you can just take it out this one first and then take it to your part store, that way you can get the exact same part, okay? That's very important. And that's it. Just a little patience. Okay, I need more subscribers, so please subscribe.